Hi, I'm Ahmed. I'm a power system engineer here at Reflex Aerospace. And my role here is mainly to guarantee the energy autonomy in the satellite. And that's mainly by creating and managing positively balanced power budget based on the mission and operation requirements, in parallel to creating and designing a power system architecture that fits perfectly within the margins of the budget. Typical day varies based on the specific mission and specific mission phase. But in general, it's a mix between deep technical tasks and collaboration with colleagues. So it's a very dynamic day. I would say for anyone who wants to join Reflex, if you want to work advanced technologies, state-of-the-art equipment within a very supportive, friendly, multicultural team, Reflex must be your destination. And truly, there is a real ownership for your tasks. You will have the freedom to innovate with the support that you will need. I enjoy being surrounded by motivated colleagues that always eager to achieve and pursue some degree of perfection that push me myself to my limits. And I see that all breakthroughs of Reflex, which happened and will happen, it's a direct reflection for this culture. And I think I'm blessed to be a part of this moment.